This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. Beautifully maintained home ready for new homeowners. Great home for first-time home buyer or someone looking to downsize. Pack up and move in. Condo fees include trash pickup, grounds maintenance and master insurance policy. Updated flooring downstairs, kitchen and bathrooms, freshly painted and washer and dryer convey as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549-2000.